Bo guys, nansi ke lemgulukudu oyu2 uyayikhumula lamantuliso the same people who's Tammy Taylor and then said it's theirs abalanda kubama waphesheya wathi yeyininda lento is supposed to be a franchise. How can it be yours? Tammy Taylor overseas guys. Like that's how these two operate. Imgulukudu eyigebengu eyigeleka these two they will never stop. They stop at nothing actually labo bathi uMel noPiet ngibazi kahle ke mina. Yazi bafuna ukubabona uzobabona kahle futhi kule channel. Please go down, scroll down uyozwa kahle how I used to trash them labo bobabili. This time it's not even allegedly bakwenzile ngaleso sikhathi mangabona i-interview kaMel where she's saying oh no mina South Africa nje ngihambe nje ukuthi there was just some gulukudu tactics that were going on. I wasn't gonna stay for that. Mina ngahamba ngaya overseas. Oh please for ukuthi uyojoji crosser. I'm just like ngeke, there's nothing like that. Kuthiwa laba they were running a scheme secross. Hey uMel no guys, if before scheme secross angicela siqale ngoPiet. uPiet was actually struck off the roll in 2011. Waye conveyancer lo muntu lo wasuswa. He studied law basically, this guy. He hasn't practiced. This two has been through things. Bayibazame kakhulu imali yasikwazi kweqa. They don't know what they're doing anymore. She should have just started a YouTube channel, but that's just my thing. She will be far, sisters. The way she goes on, she'll be very, very far. But jumpa kakhulu bagalopha kakhulu mebefuna imali too. Manje you go overseas ubalekele ezinye izinto ususikhuluma kabi la usitshela the way nje isingekho right ngakhona, there's just too much crime and there were people who used to come at my businesses. Which businesses, bra? Even ngoba ngithi Tammy Taylor you don't it. And then they will come to my black people. Like that's what she says. I'm just like, who even says that? In my business, see, sometimes it will be 50 of them. I'm just like, there's nothing like that, guys. It's a salon. 50 people in one go. Guys, when you can make a book, your appointments, please don't do that. Don't lie like that. They are the worst liars ever, and they are scammers, these two. Oh my gosh, and ukhumbula ukuthi uMel ke have Mela ke brothers. So I was still telling you they were running this scheme secross. There's some tickets, they will switch them up bahamba bayothenga in like different shops, Walmart, Bangalena, no Costco, bona labo base USA, some grocery shops bahambe bayothenga. Maybe they switch things up. Maybe fike thilini uMel uyena uhamba phambili usisters uboshwe kuqala ke before brothers. What I know, I was acting alone, I didn't do it with anyone, but ikamera yasho ukuthi unomuntu ohamba naye mawenza lezi zinto. They've been doing it for 6 months guys, since August until now. Wangeke guys, uhambe kini mina ngize ngihambe South Africa and do that in the US. Ngeke, I can't even do it here. Like why would I want to do it in the US? Who even does that? So nje lesi scheme sabo went on and on and on and on baze babanjwa ke kanjalo ke 52 transactions that they've done in the past 6 months for recross guys. Hangeke guys, hayi mina ngithi bahambe lesi scheme ba scam abantu they overseas like they've always scammed everybody. And that lady ke uTammy Taylor sued them akaze uthi aphelela leyo nto yabo. Brothers has in practice since 2011. Uke wathi 2 years ago I was reinstated. I was just like, wait, whoop. So ufuna pheshe. Yazi khona enye YouTube engilandela ya pheshe yathanda ukuthi overseas yathanda ukuthi uRay yathanda ukuthi here's their mark shots. Ngizobona ke nana ama mark shots. I was just like, don't touch my mark shots pheshe. You guys are not serious, guys. You like playing, but badala labantu for this thing. Who even does this? These two guys. Sebevele baboshwa phesheya ngiyabuza ukuthi bazoboshwa how long? Oh my gosh. After esikhulume kabi uMel wathi nje please South Africa bengeke ngize ngikhona nje na bese sihlukunyezwa thina abantu abamhlophe nje abantu bebesenza izinto I can't. Ngathi ayisisi. Who even goes on like that? And then uhambe usikhuluma kabi phesheya. Khumbula when they went to the ultimate girls trip in Jamaica, usisi wayehleze ephethe ubhaka. Lo bhaka lo wawune camera, kusho ukuthi le camera lo wayefuna ukushutha abantu osisi babe imsolo bethi wena khona some scheme there too pushing. Chances are in that backpack there's something oyenzayo in that backpack kuneyithombe. Basically uthatha yonke into ukhombisa uPiet akafuni lutho ngoPiet wakhe, akafuni next buka manje ukuthi bayaphelele phena noPiet wakhe bavele baba uBonnie and Clyde. overseas. I can't. I could never. Ayibo. How do I even get off, guys, doing those things? Phesheya. Ngihluleke la ekhaya. Kahleni wena. And then thina la ekhaya thina sine-crime. Oh, she said so many things about us, guys. Ngiyibuza ukuthi overseas. I wonder ukuthi ubani ositholelile in Florida. Endaweni edura kangaka phela iFlorida is like so expensive. Oh my gosh, like ufunani lapho wangavele ungayanga mhlambe noma ikuphi. Arizona now is quite pricey. It's posh, just as much as it looks like a desert, but it's better. But what I'm saying is that ufunani eFlorida, guys, ungenayo imali. Kuba ngabe uvele wayeJojo Manlini, tongabe uyenzile njengoba uyu from Pretoria. Thank you so much, guys, for always loving this channel. Nginithanda over. Ebahlekisa lethu.